Hi everyone, this is the slime. Hi kids. And this is the like cars.
No.
Yeah, see.
Sticky. He didn't help.
What is that?
Gecko.
And what is that? And what is that?
Bad guy.
And what is that?
Bad guy. Good
Oh,
boy.
what is the name?
Cat boy.
Cat boy here and two cat boy.
Yeah.
Can you show me the cat boy? Can you show me the cat boy?
Hair, and laser hair, and robot hair, Romeo hair, car so sticky and slimy, and so even the scars.
This guy also is in the slime one? Oh my god.
Say hi, sister.
This again.
The pink slime.
Is it pink slime?
It's so sticky. I can touch it.
Yeah, you can touch it.
It's so sticky. So slimy, so watery. I can't put hair.
No, it's not here. You can give me the red ball.
Huh?
Put down.
Okay.
Come on.
This is slimy. Put hair, that's it. Now.
Slime one.
No, the big slime bottle.
Wow.
Big slime muddy bottle. This is so pretty. Then this is a good slime green. Cause I making the mommy making high. I can put that one.
Yeah, sure.
Open. Open that one. Open it. Open. Who? I'm a star. I think that was so big. That's a long time ago. I think we'll be cake. What are you doing?
Cooking?
I need to be taller.
Oh my gosh. The best activity for the kids, like put the all like these cars and play and pajamas. And it's really nice and truck.
I don't get find my car, my red rain sporting.
Oh, it's
I'm
done?
done.
Yeah, it's done.
And my face.
Wow.
A roll with that guy. I so easy.
You put it?
Why so easy?
Oh.
It's so easy. It's so weird.
Oh, be careful.
Is this one ready?
Oh, wow.
I
Nice
can put hair.
Let me
It's
get
so
it.
pretty. And so,
Can you remove this? No?
so good.
Like this?
And
Yeah.
it's so bad.
Oh my gosh. No. That's okay. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's really fun to with your kids.
Hey!
Oh, wow, so
It's stuck. Ready? They're not coming. They're not working.
nice work. Wow.
This is sticky. So funny. Blanket. So dark. Look at me. Easy. This is slime. Hey, stop it. Stop it. Making that. Hello, everyone. I'm Musa.